Celebrate Friendship Day with your friends by creating this pen stand made with Foamy. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so when I upload a new video, you are the first one to know, and watch this video till the end and give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get started without wasting time. For this you will need Yeah, it's done. So now you can give this beautiful pen stand to your friend. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make, please share with me on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Creation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Thank you for supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, namaste.